Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove rear tail light on Toyota Sienna, the outside tail light. We're talking about the 2011 up generation. That's what we got right here. And we'll demonstrate on this side right here now. So we'll need to open the trunk lid, we'll need to get a 10mm socket, and we'll need to remove two screws here now. Okay, and there is some tabs here, so you have to be careful not to break this one. Okay, it comes on in a certain way and you don't want to break your tabs. Okay, so we'll need to just pry it, I think, towards the back. It's never been removed. The vehicle is almost brand new. It has only 30,000 miles. Okay, so you grab on this side a little bit, pull out, and there is one clip, okay, right here that slides this way. And all you have to do, disconnect the wires now. Okay, so we need to press in. I'm going to show you how to do that in a second, and pull them out. Never pull for the wires itself, just grab the plastic clip and pull. Okay, we're talking about that thing. Okay, right here you press in here and you pull it out. Same thing with the white. Okay, right here. And this is, guys, outer tail light. That's how you guys remove it. So thank you guys for watching. When you're ready to install, you just go in reverse order. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.